in the dehumidifier, and it's like when you do laundry, when the water just sucks in the air, it pulls that water back in with some kind of fan that pulls it back in, and it can do like from that kitchen right to from here. So we're gonna keep it right somewhere here, or maybe here, and it's about my little brother's size. And let's open it. It's really goodly packed. Now we have to flip it over. Get that out.
You better keep it inside.
Yeah,
Mama, leave it. Give it to Bro. Give it to Bhajan.
Okay, give it. Yay!
So be careful.
I'll keep them here. Where is it? So this is the top of the box. Grab this. Yay! Oh, it's ready. Right? Oh. Now. I can't pick it up.
Come on, try it.
I can only pick up it in the box.
Okay, give me your hand. Wait a minute.
See, it's out. Let's see what's under.
Leave it, nothing inside now.
Okay.
Okay, you better put everything inside. Back in the box. This rubbish.
Right. Everything back.
Okay, this is what we got. We just bought from eBay,
Wire.
and hopefully it will does it work. So let me start and then we'll come back to you. Okay. This is something in the back. We need to open the bag. Let's see what is inside. This is kind of inside. Sophie, you better step aside. Let me have a look. What is inside? Okay.
Watch out.
Oh, it's a bit sticky. Oh, the water tank.
Bite the filter.
Okay, this is something we need to pull off.
Passageway.
Okay. Oh, really? It's a secret?
Beehive. I think so.
Okay. Oh, is it not too small?
The beehive has stick the filter in. Now the gates have closed.
So now we need to start it on. Okay. We ready to use?
Poisonous stick.
Okay, we will sort it later. Yes? You understand? Yes? What is this?
Poisonous stick.
Okay, okay, ठीक है भाई. Oh, ठीक है चोई सब ठीक है ठीक. Yes, we just turn it on. Yes, so it starts working. We just reading the instruction. Let's see how it goes on. Yes, Hanji. Okay. So it does the job. Look at that. The lights comes in green. It means it's good. Okay, when I turn this on, the light was red. After 10-15 minutes comes orange, and now it's green. Means room is clear. Okay, that's good. Let me see what is in the back. Yes, I can see some water comes in. You see?
In this video, I'll be taking a look.
Yes, that comes water you can see inside the tank. I run this humidifier for I think 30 to 45 minutes, and this much water comes in a tank. Today the first day, we just turn it on. It's a new purchase I did buy from eBay. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to put the lid on.
I'll put it down.
Oh yeah, that's good boy.
Maybe. Which way?
Okay. That's it.
But there is another feature.
Yes, okay. Just leave it there. Okay, just press the start button.
This one?
Start here, the power button. Leave it.
And you'll see it's yellow because all the moisture in the air has not been sucked in. So when it's red, it's still going to be. If it's red, it would still.
Oh, it's strange. When we turned it on first about 45 minutes ago, the light was red, then it's become orange.
And then in 15 minutes after, it was green.
Yes, just from red to green, it takes about 45 minutes. So this is the front panel.
And this is automatic.
Yeah.
It's not open because of the fan's wind.
You can change this from fan setting.
And I think this is.
Sorry, let me focus properly. Yes, here we go. That's better. So you see this button. This one, yes. At the moment it says 45 degree. The top one is 90 degree. The bottom one is swing 90 and 45. That's a timer button. I don't know what about this one. We'll see later because it's first day. That's a VU button. That's operation tank full. I think when the tank's full, the lights turn it on. And the bottom is defrost one. Okay, that's a high mean. I think when you need to use for the laundry option, you need to turn the high on. Like that's high. In the air purifier.
So that
okay, that's smart. That's a high. The fan speed gets faster. Press one more time, it's become low. The fan speed got low. Yeah. So we make it low. That's better. Okay, so looks nice. Looks very good shape and it's okay. Like very good for the small 2 or 3 bedroom houses. But only problem at the moment what I'm feeling, this fan, you can feel it's very windy when it's comes on high. Wow, it's amazingly very windy. So let's see. I will turn it on. I will put it in my upstairs room, the main bedroom. We got some mold over there, very humidity over there. So after a couple of hours, I will come back and see. I will tell you later, okay? Here we upstairs. We turn it on.
Red.
Yeah.
Look at the fungus.
Okay, so I will press the button to high. The fan is very high speed. I can feel the fan blow till over here. I'm just about 2 or 3 feet away, but it's very fast. Very cold as well. Okay.
There's a full layer.
So we can see after an hour or so. Let's see how it goes on. Okay, let me see for 30. Oh, I will take a shot again after 1 hour. Okay, it's been now a couple of hours, so we'll see. Turn it off. back is a bit stiff because it's new. Okay, here we go. Yes, I can see a fair amount of water. You can see the level of the water. Okay, yes. Okay, so this everything. So if you ask me personally, my views, it's not that much good. Yes, I will go the simplest one where you can see the tank front side, level of the water. You can see easily how much water comes inside that tank. You can easily remove it and clean it, everything. This is a control panel. It's not that much friendly. It's not that much straightforward. You need to have to read the whole instructions very thoroughly. Otherwise, looks, it's not very friendly user, I would say. So I may send it back. I will go one more time. I will see a couple of more days, and then I will decide. My initially opinion, I'm not very impressed with this machine. Yeah, it's not that much good. You see, a couple of hours, it's not that much water suck. We had the old one that was brilliant. It's the old one. It's got a bit rusty, a bit damaged, so just we rid of and get a new one. So yes, my rating is 5 out of 10. Yes, thank you very much. I may upload one more video after a couple of days use it, then see how's my views may change or not. Okay, thank you.